Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. I'm gonna do a first impression review of the Miniso. This is a Miniso Shio Kobutsu BB cream. BB cushion pala, not BB cream. Because first time I've heard about Miniso kay Say ata yun sa isa sa mga vlogs niya. And then, nung nakita ko na may Miniso din pala dito sa Singapore. So I was so excited. Merong malapit lang dito sa amin as in walking distance. So I went in how many times, pinag-isipan kong matindi kung bibili ba ako or what. Kasi, they have a few varieties ng cushion. Merong CC cushion, merong BB cushion. Tapos, yung price range niya, ang pinaka-cheapest na nakita ko is $5.90. Tapos, this one is $7.90. And I believe merong either $12.90 or $14.90, I forgot. Pero maganda yung ibang klaseng lalagyan yung pinakamahal. Medyo like ko yun. Pero, in terms of the color, feeling ko ito yung mas match sa akin, kaya ito yung binili ko. So, again, this is Shio Kobutsu. Ganyan itsura ng packaging kasi baka kung ano, iba-iba kasi itsura ng packaging. Anyway, it comes in two shades, 01 and 02. And 01 is bright pink undertone and 02 is nude. And ito yung yellow undertone na, which I believe mas match sa akin skin tone. So, without further ado, let's open it up and start the review. How many grams ba to? It's 15 grams. So again, $7.90. I'm not sure kung how much to sa Pilipinas. And it contains 15 grams. Hindi ko rin sure kung ano ba yung typical na weight. Like sa foundation, liquid foundation is usually 1 fluid ounce, diba? So, I'm not sure sa cushion. So, kung ano ba, what do you call this? Kung lugi ka ba dito or what. Yeah, but anyway, I have been wanting to try cushion for a long time. Pero since ang mamahal, hindi ako nakakabili. Nangihinayang ako. Parang $30 nasa ganun yung presyuhan dito ng cushion. Which sa Pilipinas, I think mahal din. So, ito na yung pinaka-cheapest. $7.90. Meron bang cheapest, pero sabi ko nga, ito yung mas sa kulay ko. So, yan, white packaging in fair. Maganda naman siya. And then, inside, there you go. So, you have a sponge and you have, wait, if you hear Zeb or my kids at the background or in the background, just don't mind. So, naka-seal siya. And then, yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so, let's go right in. Ito yung condition ng face ko ngayon. I just use toner. Wala akong moisturizer. I have oily skin. Hindi siya combo eh. Oily skin talaga. And right now, I have a pimple. So, we'll see kung matatakpan niya yan. Nanghihinaya akong dumihan. But yeah, let's go. Oh, isang press. Medyo marami-rami. So, let's try. May mirror pala siyang kasama. Yeah, may mirror na kasama. Pero, dito na lang. I'm using my phone lang, guys. Kasi low-bat pala yung DSLR ko. Actually, may mirror ako dito sa tabi ko eh. Let me use it also. I think this will be light to medium coverage. Ba yan? Pati yung buhok ko nalalagyan. Okay. So, makikita nyo yung difference left and right. Pero meron na konti eh. Feeling ko this is light to medium coverage. But we'll see kung mabibuild pa. Yun lang ang pangit dito sa cushion, no? Yung pag nadumihan na, parang, ew. ayan. Para medyo maputi tignan yung mukha ko. Pero, feeling ko magsiset pa yan. Tsaka, lagyan natin ng powder later. Tsaka, what I heard from cushion kasi is usually, diba, dewy finish. And since oily ako, I stay away from may mga dewy finish kasi ang bilis, parang lalo mas mabilis mag-oil. So, tignan natin maging grease. But actually, I can feel na, or I can see na medyo dewy siya. Pero baka pag sinet ng powder is scary. So, yeah. I think I have put enough. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? Hindi siya merong konting lagkit and yeah. Kasi hindi, basa pa naman din, no? In fairness. Hinawakan ko kaagad. Yan. Tsaka nag-transfer sa kamay ko. Nakikita ko yung shine sa kamay ko. But yeah. Merong dewy finish and I'm just gonna set this with powder kasi I just usually set with powder naman. So, yeah, tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin na ako madadagdagan ko pa. Ingay naman ni Zed. Yung feeling mo na basang-basa siya sa mukha mo, yun yung di ko gusto. Pero, yeah, we'll see. Nag-even out naman yung skin tone ko. And, yeah, dewy lang talaga. I don't like it. Hintayin ko lang siyang matuyo ng konti and we'll see. Okay guys, it's been over 5 minutes and I can still feel the stickiness level. Siguro mga 3 out of 10. Hindi siya ganun ka-sticky. Although pag hinawakan mo, yes, nagta-transfer yung shine sa kamay. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, shiny siya sa kamay. So, and, naglagay ako ng concealer kasi while waiting for it, naglagay na ako ng concealer and napansin ko nung habang ginaganon-ganon ko, parang feeling ko pati yung foundation nagsislide off. So, that's what I don't like about it. But yeah, I'm gonna do the baking technique kasi ganito naman talaga ako lagi mag-foundation or yung face routine. Lagi ako nagbe-bake. Hindi lang sa kitchen, pati sa mukha. So, I'm gonna bake my face. And then, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will let you know kung ano nang ganap. But, yeah, definitely dewy finish. And, yes. Yun yung one reason ba't ako nag-hesitate na bumili nito. Kasi sabi ko nga, feeling ko dewy and then I'm not sure kung magugustuhan ko and nanghihinay ako sa money. But, yeah, nandito na to. Binili ko na. So, minsan kasi, syempre, you have the notion na kapag mura, hindi maganda, diba? Yung quality, ano. Pero, not every time true. Kasi itong aking Daiso eyebrow pencil is my holy grail. So, you'll never know if you find a treasure. So, yeah. Habang namumuti ang aking face, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys. I am done with my makeup. Actually, wala pa akong blush kasi I cannot put my blush on yet. But we'll see. Let's remove this powder all over my face. And when I was doing my, mascara, pagpikit ko, oh my gosh, nagkikrease na siya dun sa aking mata, yung BB cream. So, I had to put powder din dito. Kailangan ko din siyang i-bake kasi nga, ganun siya ka, By the way, I used the Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow for the baking. Cherva. Yung pimple ko hindi natakpan, which is understandable kasi mahirap naman kasi talaga takpan yung mga naka-emboss. Ka-emboss. So, yeah. And the lipstick I used is, what's it? The ColourPop Bumble. Yeah. So, with the powder on, is definitely a lot better. Wala nang sticky feeling. Hindi na rin siya dewy. But, kailangan kong mag-blush on kasi parang I feel like it's so flat on my face right now. So, blush on tayo konti. Uy, grabe naman siya. Nasobrahan yata. This is e.l.f. Baked Blush. And what's this? Rich Rose. Grabe ka, te. Sanang ano. Parang tumodo-todo. Let's blend it out, girls. Nakakabigla naman yan. Mag-highlight ba ako? Yeah, hindi ako mag-highlight para makita natin kung mag-shine talaga ako ng todo or what. Although, I would love to put on highlight, but yeah. So, this is how it's looking. I don't even know what time it is. Wait, let me check. It's 11:50, guys. Sorry, wala akong mapapakitang time sa inyo kasi I'm just using my phone. So, it's 11:50. We'll see how it holds up later. Malamang lalabas kami for lunch. Medyo maaraw na. Kanina kasi umaga makulimlim. But now, there's a sun. And we'll see kung makakalabas later. I don't know. But yeah, I will update you guys later. Hi guys! So, first update tayo. It's now 3:20 in the afternoon. And halos medyo kanina pa naman actually kaming umuwi from lunch. Lumabas kami, nag-mall kami. It's just like less than 10 minutes walk. Pero kanina super sikat ang araw. Nung lumabas kami was 1 o'clock, I think. Sobrang taas ang araw kanina and yeah. Although, makita nyo yung sa vlog, if you watch my vlog, makita nyo yung sa vlog ko. So, I don't look oily, as you can see. Parang okay pa siya, no? Pero, pag hinawakan ko, I feel oily. So, let me blot with the tissue paper. Wala akong blotting paper. Pero, kita nyo dumikit. Kasi, usually talaga yung oiliness. Nasa T-zone naman talaga lagi. So, and very minimal transfer naman. As you can see, wala masyadong transfer. Yan, dumidikit siya sa face. But yeah, overall, so far, okay siya. But not the best that I've tried. Parang, yeah. Kasi nga, meron siyang dewy effect. So, parang ang dami kong kailangan lagay na powder. Pero, carry naman. So, it's nap time actually. Yun nga, sabi nga, alas 3 na. So, I'm gonna take a nap. So, hopefully hindi siya mabura. And I will get back to you later. Hi guys! So, this is my second and final update. Sorry, hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina after nung first update ko. Kasi, what happened? Hindi ako nakanap. Kasi ayaw mag-nap nung dalawa, but we went out, nag-playground kami, and pagdating ay pinaliguan ko yung dalawa, so napawisan ako, natalsikan ng tubig yung mukha ko, hinawakan ako ni Zach na basa yung kamay niya, nawakan niya yung face ko. So this is how my face looks like right now. Still looks okay, but I feel oily and sticky. So let's do another blotting. Yeah. Mas maganda sana kung meron akong blotting paper. Pero, I don't think naman na sobrang oil yung makukuha. Pero, and I don't look really shiny naman. Pero, nafe-feel ko lang. So, I cannot say that it's lightweight kasi you can feel it. But, yeah. Okay, so, I think that's okay. Looking up close, sa camera medyo maganda, pero looking up close, nakikita mo na nag-settle na siya dito. Problem area ko din kasi itong, under eye, may mga wrinkles na, sign of aging. So, nag-settle siya, tas parang nagbumuo. Pero, yung concealer din pala, pwedeng naging factor. Although, wala akong nagiging problema dun sa Maybelline Fit Me concealer before, using other foundation. So, may possibility din. Kasi diba sabi ko kanina, nung nag-concealer ako, nag-slide din siya. Ang hirap niyang i-blend. So, yeah. And then, what else? Kanina din napansin ko yung sa bandang nose. Para na-emphasize niya kasi parang I need to harvest na may blackheads and may whiteheads. Kanina, nakikita mo yung product na nakapatong siya sa ibabaw. Basta para na-emphasize na yung mga blackheads and whiteheads. Pero, yeah, my blush is still there. I can still see it. Can you still see it? Yeah. So, yeah. My final thoughts on this, yes, for the price, I think it's okay. Pero you don't expect a lot of coverage from this. Kanina minention ko sa simula parang medium. Ngayon, masasabi ko parang light coverage lang siya. Kung papipiliin ako between this or the Eye White BB-Holic, I would still go for that. Mas maganda pa yung feeling ko, mas maganda yung coverage nun sa akin, tsaka yung performance niya throughout the day, parang mas maganda sa skin, not like this one. And, yun. Hindi siya ganun ka, kung wala naman masyado kang chismis sa mukha, kung wala kang masyadong kailangan takpan, I think this is okay. And yung face mo is dry, parang super perfect to for you kasi dewy nga yung finish niya, diba? So, kung medyo perfect na yung skin mo, wala kang bumps or blemishes na kailangan takpan, gusto mo lang ma-even yung skin tone, perfect yan for you. Kasi, maganda naman, kahit pa paano, na-even niya yung skin tone ko, pero yun nga, yung dewy finish ang hindi ko bet. So, I would rather set it with powder. And, yeah. So, those are my final thoughts on this. If given the chance, kung bibilin ko ba siya ulit or hindi na, most probably not. I will stick to the Eye White BB-Holic na BB cream. Mas gusto ko yung finish nun. But, yeah, I hope nakatulong to sa inyo. And, for the price naman, parang ito na yung cheapest na BB cushion na available sa market. I'm not sure kung magkano siya sa Pilipinas. Let me know kung nasilip nyo na siya sa Miniso. Pero, I feel like nandun talaga siya sa lower range. Kasi nga, like I mentioned, yung mga BB cushion dito is nasa 20 plus something dollars lagi. 29, ganun, 27. And, yeah. So, anyway, I hope nakatulong. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!